Hello friends, welcome once again. To friends, today we are with the solution of Gujarat Secondary and Higher Education Board, Standard 12th. Okay, subject is English first language. Okay, friends, so we'll see this section A. Okay, let's go through the paper and I'll provide you the solution. Okay, so first of all, it's my humble request that everyone, the person who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and click it all so that you can get the updates of my latest videos. Okay friends, let's go towards the answer. And section A, the first question is Gandhiji and the lawyer worked rigorously. Okay, so the answer is why. To answer is option B. Okay, option B is the answer, to solve the problems of the farmers. Okay, answer B is the correct answer. Let's go to the second questions. Here deposition means okay, testimonies. So answer is testimonies. Okay, so let's go to the answer, testimonies. Okay, now the whole area was due to the activity of the investigators and protest of the landlords. So the answer is A. The whole area was excited. The whole area was excited. Okay, so answer is A. Now let's go to question number 4. Gandhi and the leading associates were dash for the civil disobedience. Okay, so answer is D. Were preparing for the civil disobedience. Okay, friends. So this was about this. Now read the following stanza and the questions given below it. Choose the correct answer. No in the country money, the country scale of gain. Okay, now let's go to question number 5. The poet expresses his dash with economic and financial condition of the people living in a country. So discontent. Okay, so answer is discontent. The people expresses his discontent. Okay, okay, now question number 6. The line, the requisite life of spirit has never been found, means the answer is option C here. People living in a country expect the government to improve their condition of living. Okay, people living in a country expect the government to improve their condition of living. Okay, now let's go to question number 7. Identify the figure of speech in the line, or so the voice of the country seems to complain. Here answer is option here the answer is option D, personification. Okay, or so the voice of the country, here it shows personification. Okay, country is showing doing the human action here. The poet wishes to provide dash relief to the people living in country. So answer is provide instant relief. The poet wishes to provide instant relief to the people living in the country. Okay friends, so I hope that you very well understood the section A. Now we are going to solve the section B part. Okay, section B part we will be solving now. So friends, again share this video with your friends, and if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, now we are going to section B. I will directly take you to the PDF section of section B. Okay friends, so here is section B, Indigo, Louis Fincher. Okay, now Louis Fincher has written a book, The Life of Mahatma Gandhi. It has been reviewed as one of the best book written on Gandhi. Rajkumar Shukla was an illiterate, okay, Shakespeare who had come to complain about the justice of the landlord system in Binar. Gandhi told him that he had an appointment in Kanpur, okay, and was committed to go to other part of India. Gandhi then returned to his ashram near Ahmedabad, but the determined Shukla followed him. Okay, now question number 10, answer number 10. Indigo, Louis Finch. Now, Rajendra Prasad was out of town, but his servant knew Shukla as an poor farmer who used to worry their master to help the sharecropper. Okay, so they let him stay on the ground. Now, this is the next. Same answer. with the companion Gandhi whom they taught was also farmer and an untouchable, and they didn't allow Gandhi to away water from the well. Kriplani okay, was waiting for Gandhi at the station with a large body of students of midnight on 15th April 1917. A roadside stand by Robert Frost. Robert Frost has given a poem, A Roadside Stand, in which it is concerned with the human burdens. In the poem The Roadside Stand, Robert Frost describes the miserable condition of the poor rural people, the government and the other social services agencies appears to help them, but actually do them no good. The city flock who drive through the countryside hardly pray and had the roadside stand, or the people who ran it is all here. The answer is now question answer number 12. The roadside stand, Robert Frost. Poem are concerned with the human burdens. The poet feels that all the pains from which the poor ruler become people suffers must be removed at one stroke. Robert Frost describes the miserable condition of the poor rural people. Sometimes they come at store for some other reason. They go and say the price. Some say, do you sell poor deprived? So this was about now section C. Section C, rectify the error. Now the error are given, so you just rectify the error. So your error and your correction. Impressive, you have to change the word impressive into impressed. It is given here. Change the word impressive into impressive, correct answer. Now tenacious, tenacious into tenactics, TENACITS. Another is on into in and dated into date. Now these are the error given, and these are the error, and we have to correct it in this way. Friends, do as directed. What an extraordinary thing it was. What an extraordinary thing it was. The scarecropping, the sharp cropping arrangement was not pleasant to peasants. Schematic indigo had been developed by Germany. So here is the thing. The sari I am wearing is the only one I have, isn't it? Didn't he try to mold a new free Indian who could stand on his own feet? Friends, you very well understood about the solution, and thanks for watching it. Please share and subscribe my channel and share it with most of your friends. Thank you, friends.